So as you get to a corner, obviously you've got to allow for that corner. So as we carry on stitching, your stitches may get slightly closer together. So on this one, for instance, we just go back a little bit closer to the last stitch there to allow for that corner, so we can get round there, you see. And then we're coming up to a sort of indentation for the wing, so we have to allow for that as well. So if we go right into that corner, we come up in that corner, and we'll go more or less at a point with that corner. And just keep an eye on that shorter length of thread. Just pull it to allow it to come up towards the needle a bit more, otherwise it might get entangled where you're stitching. So we're coming up again in that corner, just right close to the last stitch. And then we can go back down into the butterfly at a bit of an angle, but parallel to the edge of the butterfly wing. And then you can carry on as before. And spacing them as you go around the curve.